Hello students, I hope you are all good. Today we will learn about rules of rounding of significant figure, accuracy, precision, error, errors of measurement and types of errors. So let's start with rules of rounding of significant figures. First rule is that if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Example 1.54 is rounded off to 1.5. Second, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example 2.49 is rounded off to 2.5. Third, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by the digit other than 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example 3.55 is rounded off to 3.6. Fourth, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd and left unchanged if it is even. Example 3.750 is rounded off to 3.8 and 4.650 is rounded off to 4.6. After that, let's discuss what is accuracy. The accuracy is the extent to which a reported measurement approaches the true value of the quantity measured. Problems with accuracy are generally due to human error while reading an instrument, instrument error, error in design of instrument, lack of calibration, etc. As a person reduces errors, measurement accuracy increases. After that, let's discuss what is precision. Precision is the degree of exactness or refinement of a measurement. Basically, it describes the limitations of the measuring instrument. Example, a measurement of 5.382 meter is more accurate than a measurement of 5.3 meter. Lack of precision is typically due to the limitations of the measuring instrument and is not the result of human error or lack of calibration. Notice that measurement's precision is determined by least count of the measuring instrument. Smaller the least count, greater is the precision. After that, let's discuss error. What is error? The measured value of a physical quantity is usually different from its true value. The result of every measurement by any measuring instrument is an approximate number which contains some uncertainty. This uncertainty is called error. Every calculated quantity which is based on measured value also has an error. After that, let's discuss errors of measurement. It is the difference between true value and the measured of value of quantity is known as errors in measurement. After that, let's discuss types of error. In general, the errors in measurement can be broadly classified as A. Systematic errors, B. Random errors, C. Least count error. Let's discuss definition of systematic error. The systematic errors are those errors that tends to be in one direction, either positive or negative. Example, errors due to air buoyancy in weighing and radiation loss in calorimetry. They can be eliminated by manipulation. Some of the sources of systematic errors are: first, instrumental error. These errors arise from the errors due to imperfect design or calibration of the measuring instrument. Zero error in the instrument, etc. Example, temperature graduation of a thermometer may be inadequately calibrated. It may read 103 degrees Celsius at the boiling point of water at STP, standard temperature and pressure, whereas it should read 100 degrees Celsius. In a vernier caliper, the zero mark of vernier scale may not coincide with the zero mark of the main scale, or simply an ordinary meter scale may be worn off at one end.